So we see that especially in India, talking about mental health, emotional health, or safe physical connection is not something is still not easily been spoken about, and something which millions of people in India are still struggling with their health, mental health concerns. Like you mentioned about one of your friend did a suicide. I have seen one of the reason why I also got into coaching into mental health and mindset is because I saw somebody at my community, a 14-year-old boy did a suicide just after speaking to his mother that he wants a new phone, and mom said that you already have one, why would you need it? Without any question answer, without any further ado, he shut his door, he hanged himself.
How old?
14 years. We can only blame or assume it's a peer pressure, but we don't really know what it is. So if these kind of situations when you come across, how do you really handle it? How do you really support them?
So first of all, what happens is that it has to start early. We go and give lectures in school, Okay, if you have a physical first aid, then why not mental first aid? Right?
Beautifully said.
Yeah. So we are invited at school and to give lectures to create that kind of environment कि अगर तुम घर पे बोलते हो कि मुझे पेट दर्द है तो तुम्हें मुझे ऐसे ख्याल आते हैं सेल्फ हार्म के, मुझे लगता है मैं सब कुछ तोड़ फोड़ दूँ, मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है. Why can't you express themselves and without any judgment, and to create a safe space where they can be mindful, they can talk, they can express, and the idea is to stop blaming people and take responsibility very early in life.
How do one handle criticism or bullying in schools and colleges which happen?
Yeah, that's a lovely question, and it is, oh my god, it's terrible. I remember growing up with Baila, Chakra, Ijra, Namaz, Mummy, Sissy, Pansy. अगर 20 साल पहले किसी ने मुझे छक्का बोला, कुछ भी बोला, तो मैं God, why did you make me like this? I want to bang my head. ये धरती फटे और मुझे ले लो. Me, why me? Today, if somebody calls me Chakka, Baila, Ijra, my thought is that somebody has put into his head to call me like this. He was not born like this. Idea is to use compassion, understanding. He was not born hating me. Society, parents, environment has put into this head that to call me like this. Once I understand that, I am free. I am free. Of course, there is bullying, there is criticism. Then you take action. But mentally you need to be free, right? It is the influence of the society. It's not him.
But at the age of 14 or let's say 10, 7, how would you ask a child to handle these kind of criticisms and bullying?
So first is at home, you start talking openly about mental health, dinner table conversation. Right? Today people are talking about menopause, menstruation. Talk about mental health. कि ये मेंटल हेल्थ भी है, दिमाग का भी डॉक्टर है, कभी कुछ गुस्सा आता है, तोड़ फोड़ करना है, या सिगरेट पीना है, या कोई ड्रग्स दे रहा है, तो बात करो. I should be able to come home and tell my mom कि मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है, लगता है वो आदमी को तोड़ फोड़ दो, या मुझे बहुत सैडनेस है और ऐसा लगता है कि मैं कुछ कर लो, You create that environment at home. Start with sensitizing parents to talk about it.
And how to embrace your sexuality and stop worrying about what society or people will think about you.
I did not choose to be gay. God made me gay. मैं gay के लाइन में खड़ा नहीं था. भगवान ने मुझे gay बनाया है, right? You accept all colors of flowers when you get a bouquet. Pink है, red है, yellow है, white है. तुम ऐसा नहीं बोलते नहीं ये white मुझे नहीं चाहिए, ये सब ही लेता हूँ. You accept all sexualities. Then why not? You accept a dog and hug. Then why not a human being?
Yeah,
right?
yeah. So
And
true. True.
Yeah.
I'm just curious to know, I have been, when I was researching about, our conversation, what we'll be talking about, and I also came across an article or kind of a reading which says that, gay relationships doesn't sustain long. Why are they so fragile?
Okay. But I just want to add something to your previous, because it's very
please,
interesting. How to accept yourself. So I want to wear, say, sandal and a bag. And I don't want to wear it because what will others say? How do you accept yourself? Bappi Lahiri wear gold jewelry top to bottom.
Right.
So why can't I wear makeup top to bottom, right?
Right.
People accepted Bappi Lahiri.
Yeah.
Then why should I stop myself? Sudha Murthy was the only girl in her engineering college 45 years back.
Yeah.
Why can't I be the only guy if I am interested in nursing or stitching or mehndi?
Yeah.
That's how you accept yourself. Okay, you are not weird. You are different. I am in minority. I am not a deformity. I am not abnormality.
I think it's all about, how you frame your mindset. Right. Like you said, from I'm not abnormal, I'm just different.
Yeah.
And when you know that you're different and you have right comparisons, because we kind of compare how much ever we say that we would compare even ourselves. So Bappi Lahiri is a great example. Indeed, if he can wear gold top to bottom, then why can't I love wearing probably just suits? Why can't I just love wearing shirts and pants?
Yeah.
That's absolutely true.
You accepted Bappi Lahiri, Sudha Chandran,
Yeah.
Sudha Murthy, sorry. Then why not
Murthy,
me,